Okay, let's tackle a big question for anyone planning their studies for 2026.
So many students worry about this, but honestly, the answer might actually surprise you. This is the mindset right here. It's tough, for sure, but definitely not impossible.
We're going to focus on what you can control right now to really build up your profile.
So there are two main ways to make your profile stronger. Let's break them down.
This shows you've got real-world skills and commitment that grades just can't show.
Crushing a test like the GRE proves you're ready and can really balance things out.
Okay, now for the application itself. This is where you get to tell your story.
Your statement of purpose, or SOP, is your chance to give some much-needed context.
Don't try to hide your CGPA. Instead, explain what happened and what you learned from it.
Next, you're going to need some really solid letters of recommendation. They're super important.
Be upfront with your professors. Ask them to focus on your other skills, not just your grades.
Things like your leadership, creativity, stuff that shows the whole picture of you.
And hey, if you land that interview, be direct. Show them your passion and your vision.
So with a stronger profile, where can you actually start applying? Let's look at some options.
This list just proves that so many programs are looking for more than just a high GPA.
Through all of this, you have to stay positive and believe in yourself. It makes a huge difference.
I have personally seen people with a GPA as low as this.
Go on to win full scholarships to study all over the world. It is totally possible.
If you remember one thing from this, let it be this. Your story is not just your grades.
It's really about your growth, how you bounce back, and the unique person you are.
So what's the first strength you're going to highlight? With a SMART plan, you've got this.